And one of them is oxygen, and one of them is hydrogen, and one of them is helium. And it's going to be for you to guess which is which. And actually, we have another gas in a different form, and that is liquid nitrogen. We have liquid nitrogen here, the gas which actually has been liquefied. And we can pour this into a styrofoam cup. It's very cool stuff, very cool. In fact, it's so cool that it is about minus 181 degrees Celsius. That is very cold. That is much colder than you'll find in Texas in the winter. It's colder than you'll find in Pennsylvania in the winter. It's colder than you'll find in the North Pole in the winter. Santa Claus can never live under such conditions. Now, this vapor which is coming off is nitrogen. And so now we have actually four gases: the helium, the hydrogen, the oxygen, and the nitrogen. But we use this in an aid to study the other gases we have here. Now, to show you how cold this is, we are going to sacrifice a flower. Oh. We're going to sacrifice a flower. Here we go. See, it's soft, succulent, smells good. You die. It's not very happy right now. And we leave it in there until it cools off to minus 181 degrees. And then when we are sure that it is cold enough, there we go. So, and it. Now it's really dead. You never want to put your fingers in there, because the same thing would happen. Your fingers would freeze off. So you never put your fingers in there. You never pour it into your hand like this. See the vapors? The trick behind this is that you never hold it more than a fraction of a second. You don't play tricks like throwing this at somebody. For example, if you get a little pool catch in their shoe, then if it stays there for a second or 2 seconds, frostbite, very bad. Or if it catches in your clothes somewhere, in your shirt or somewhere, very, very dangerous. So we're very careful. So we can, I can see it stayed in my hand for about half a second. It's getting very, very cold. And there are other things you don't do with this. For example, you never drink it. You want to see this?
No.
You want to see this? Here we go. Here we go. You never pour it down your pants. The trick behind this, of course, is you're always breathing out, and it's psychic, it's violently moving around, whirlpooling in your mouth, so you don't get cold. Of course, my beard got a little frostbite through the minute. Probably some ice crystals on it real fast. It's very cold stuff.